Assalamu alaikum ji. I am Muhammad Asad Khan and this is my sixth lesson on Excel. And this lesson is about moving or copying worksheets to another workbook in one go. Uh, you can see that there is first piece. Let me zoom the sheet a bit so you can see it easily properly. So here you can see that there is a plus sign here and plus button here, which if you take your mouse on it, it basically shows a pop-up message that says new sheet. So if you press it, so a new sheet appears here between the sum and the sheet 4. You can also basically take your mouse on it on sheet 1 and basically grab it by clicking the left mouse button and take it at the end like this and just leave it. And this sheet basically has moved from between the sum and sheet 1 to the last sheet as a last sheet after sheet 3. So this is one option. And what if you want to copy it? If you want to copy the data, I will through Alt tab, I will move to the other sheet, which was basically my session 4, and I can basically copy the data from here. But this is like from these sheets, I can copy the data from here to there. But it's a long process. It's a lengthy process, and if there are more than one sheet, the data is comprised of 20, 30, or 40 sheets or 15 sheets. What you can do is first let me delete it. Now I want to copy sheet 4 and sheet 3 into the basically other sheet, other workbook. So what I can do is I can basically select both the sheets by clicking Control. Yes, I have basically I've pressed the Control button, and through mouse I have select sheet 3, I have select sheet 4, both the sheets, and then click the right mouse button, and here you can see the option Move or Copy. If you click it, before sheet before which sheet you want to basically copy or move it, but here you can see to which workbook. So here the workbook where you want to basically copy this or move it. By moving it, basically it will permanently move from here to that sheet. But I want to basically tell you here that copying is the good option. Have the original sheet with you and copy this data, copy these worksheets from there to the next workbook. So Excel lesson 4, I will basically select this one, and now you can see that basically the worksheets there are appearing here right now. So again, you can basically check, move at the end, create a copy, and then OK, and look at this. Then that all those two sheets basically have moved here. Supposedly, suppose if there were 15 sheets or 20 sheets, they would have also moved here in one go. So, but there is a one trick here. One trick here. That trick is basically you need to open both the workbooks at the same time. They should be minimized under your taskbar here. If they are not, it will not appear in this option. When I click it, when I clicked it, and when I basically said move or copy, ask for move or copy option, if you basically right click it like this workbook which was appearing here, if I basically close that, see, if I close it, now check, select both the sheets. I have selected both the sheets, and I click the right mouse button, move or copy, and then I basically go to the workbook section. Look, now that workbook is not appearing here. So this is a bit of myth that when you basically want to move or copy your worksheets into other workbook or workbooks, there could be three or four workbooks. You can basically copy these basically sheets into three or four workbooks. So you need to open those and you need to minimize those. They need to appear in your basically taskbar. Otherwise, you won't be able to see those options here. You need to have those workbooks basically here. Those workbooks need to be appear here, and only this is the basically this is a myth, basically sort of. And I think that in future it will be resolved. Basically, even if the workbooks are closed, they need to be appear here, and the browse option should be here. But up till now, till Office 2019, this option is still not here, and it's like appearing from since Office 2007. So hope in the future it will be resolved. But this I want to tell you, it's a very short and good skill, kindly like and subscribe and share my channel. And with your support, I will inshallah upload more videos and it will keep coming. Thank you very much.